everyone. Welcome to Chasing the Kraken. So we're out here at Monkey Lip Lake. It is October 29th, so we are pushing it. Surprised there wasn't a little skim of ice out here. But I'm out here with my buddy Ryan. I just ran into the pike hunter. Nice to meet you, Adrian. It's great to meet you. I hope you have a great day. And with tradition, I forgot one thing, which is the small undermount for my Action 3 camera. So I can't even put it on the mount. So I'm going to have to put it up here in the front and hopefully you don't lose it. So fishing footage will be different today, but we'll make do with what we have. The intel that I got from my friend Ryan off the live scope is that basically you almost have to drag it in front of their noses. So I'm going to cruise around. I've got a really heavy swim bait on here, and I've got it in power of 1 on the trolling motor. So we're going to try and do a little trolling. It's definitely a different kind of fishing, but it is good to get out. So I'll show you what I'm throwing. Is this big live target monstrosity. It's, there's a lot of Prussian carp in here. This is silver and blue, and it's about the right size and shape. So if ever there was a lure or a swim bait designed for Monkey Lip Lake, this should be it. Really cool, actually, to run into another YouTuber out here. That's always, it's I'm a bit of a fanboy that way. I think that's really cool. I enjoy it. I've run into a few people that have recognized me, and that's always fun. I'm not a big name, so yeah, I appreciate every interaction like that, to be honest. And absolutely glass out here, which is so nice as well. Oh, there we go. We're actually hooked up. In amongst the weeds, of course, but we are hooked up. Is this thing off? Oh yeah, nice pike. Nice pike. Not too shabby pike. Not a monster. Oh, nice. There we go. Yeah. Actually, that's a decent sized little pike. And what's nice is the single treble or single hook, and it looks like it's probably actually already out. Maybe, no, just barely in there. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, not a bad little, for any other lake, that's a decent pike. Out here, it's a baby. Let's see. That, my friends, is a 28 3/4 inch pike. So not a monster, but nice. So let's get him back. Sweet, man. That's awesome. All right, we're almost up to him. Again, sorry for the quality of the filming angles here, but we're making do with what we got. Yeah, I'll get you on video. I'll get a screen capture of it.
This is never going to work. She's going to flip as soon as I
You can feel her, right? She ain't happy.
She's like, all right.
Oh no. Oh! Good job, brother. That was a beautiful fish.
34 incher.
All right. 2. Now Ryan owes me a fish, so it's technically my fish. So that's 2 for Jordan, none for Ryan. But we won't rub it in too much. We're working these glide baits. So the way to retrieve them is you can they'll still have like a swimming action, even if you just reel them in at full speed if you trolled them. But to accentuate it, you just sort of pulse your retrieve, pulse. And every time you do, the front kicks back and forth like that. So it's really, really a cool bait. Whoa! There we go. Oh no, come on, stay on there. Oh, is he still there? He's still there. Wow. Oh, he's... Woo! Nice, nice pike, nice pike. Nice porker. Come on, mate. Don't be like that. Oh, well. Oh, yeah. Don't be going on that end. He's not huge, but he's a fatty. Oh, oh, in the net. Oh, and he's wrapped himself into a pike cocoon. Oh man, nice. Wow, this guy was fighting he was fighting like a younger man. Admirable, but mistaken. All right. There we go. He's free. Let's set that aside. Oh, Hogtown. Love it. Oh, and I can feel his pulse against his jaw. Wow. Okay. Now, is he going to be nice enough to let us measure him? One can only hope. That is a 30 and a half inch piker. So not a monster, but check how thick these guys are. Just beautiful fish. Too bad the sun's in the background there. There you are. You can tell he's still a little stunned because his mouth is still open. Oh, beautiful fish though. Wow. And there he goes. Whew. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I thought I lost him for a second because he was swimming straight towards me. Literally hit and miss. No pun intended. Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, if I could just. Oh, he's got some. Oh, this guy's solid. Wow. Well, he's in there. All right, Hog's body. Let's see what you got. I'll settle for 48. It doesn't have to be 50. I'm not picky. He's a smaller pike. He's just wrapped in a crap ton of weeds. Oh, get in there. There we go. Oh, thanks for turning yourself totally inside out, you dumbass. I got to just horse him into the boat. Otherwise, you'll make a mess of everything. Get off his tail. There we go.
There we go.
All right. Another monkey lip mini monster. This guy's kind of got a weird shape to him. Yeah.
He's not too big, but he's probably 23, 4.
Yeah, probably. Hey everyone, we're going to call this a day. 4 fish in the boat. It was a great time. Thanks to Monkey Lip Lake for producing. Thank you to Ryan for giving me some tips on how to locate these buggers at this time of year. And had a great time. Nice to meet you, Pike Hunter. and your friend. Calling it an end to the 2024 open water season for me. I will see you on the ice. Until then, keep chasing the Kraken, and we will see you soon.